guys. Welcome everybody. Welcome. हमने start से पहले ही start कर दिया. So first of all, तालियां for everyone who showed up on time. Well done. Good evening, Mumbai. Welcome to Vizzy Smart TV presents Dentsu IWM Buzz Digital Awards Season 8, the best in web entertainment. Our presenting partner, Vizzy Smart TV. Big round of applause for them. Co-powered partner, IDFC First Bank. Associate partners, Tatch Salt and Spices, Lactocalamine, Z Bharat and Philips. And to tell us more about Stream Culture 2026, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for my first guest on stage today, the Chief Executive Officer, South Asia Dentsu, Mr. Harsha Razdan. अब सवाल ये आता है डिजिटल इंडस्ट्री और एंटरटेनमेंट ये जो पार्टनरशिप आपने की है, how do you foresee this going forward?
So we started a partnership with Sid. Again, I forgot to thank Sid, but we started this partnership with the Gaming Report. It was excellent. The kind of creator, brand, community we brought together gave us the confidence to go forward. But the genesis for the fact was the wonderful partnership with IWM Buzz at the Gaming Award.
Correct.
Gave us the confidence to do it again with Sid and IWM Buzz and get creators, brands, consumers all together in one room. That's the joy of it.
Stream Culture 2026 के official launch के लिए जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था एक खास मेहमान तो स्टेज पर हम बुला के फेलिसिटेट करना चाहेंगे गवर्नर महाराष्ट्र के ऑनरेबल श्री एडवोकेट आशीष हिलार सर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस प्लीज वीड लाइक टू वेलकम यू ऑन स्टेज
To begin with, let me congratulate all the winners and those who are going to be felicitated over here. Obviously, last year also I was here. And I can surely say that the digital revolution and the content creation which is happening in our country, we are the leaders into the same. And I must mention here that our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has rightfully catched this sector, this area. And from last year, we started WAVES, World's Audiovisual Summit. And the content creation and the storytelling, which is the pride, which is the innovation, which is the creativity which Indians have created, is ruling worldwide. And at least I know somebody who is doing this kind of award and pushing all these contents and creations in new format. This is the award which is doing so. And so I feel it's my duty as a cultural affairs minister to come, to participate, and to promote about the same. That's why I'm here. Thank you.
It's time to officially launch the Streaming Culture 2026 in 3, 2, 1. Let's launch it. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. तो अब ऑफिशियली हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अवार्ड्स
अगला अवार्ड है बेस्ट एडिटिंग इन अ वेब सीरीज जूरी
And the award for best editing in a web series jury, the winner is Nitin Baid, the Baj of Bollywood Netflix.
अगला अवार्ड है ट्रू कॉलर बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस इन अ कॉमिक रोल इन अ वेब सीरीज ज्यूरी
Truecaller, Best Actress in a Comic Role in a Web Series Jury. And the winner is Nidhi Bisht, Mamla Legal है Season 2, Netflix.
Now it's time to give the award for best actress in a web series jury and the winner is
बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस इन वेब सीरीज जूरी एंड द विनर इज दिव्या दत्ता चारैया एसबी एंटरटेनमेंट जियो हॉटस्टार
A very good evening, everyone, and thank you, IWM Buzz, for this amazing award. I just want to say that this journey has been beautiful, लेकिन एक एक्टर की ज़िंदगी में ना कुछ ऐसा आता है जो उनके लिए उस जर्नी में टर्निंग पॉइंट होता है. So I think Chiraiya was that for me, and thank you again for Chiraiya and for coming. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Divya ji. हमारी अगली कैटेगरी है विजी स्मार्ट टीवी बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर इन अ वेब सीरीज
Vijay Smart TV Best Supporting Actor in Web Series. And the winner is Rajat Bedi, The Bats of Bollywood Netflix.
it's now time to give away the award for VZ Smart TV Best Supporting Actress in a Web Series.
VZY Smart TV Best Supporting Actress in a Web Series Jury, and the winner is Cobra.
Next award is for Best Performer in a Negative Role in a Web Series Jury.
And the winner is our favorite Gulshan Grover, Matka King,
Yay,
Amazon
well
Prime
deserved.
Video.
Thank you very much. I'd like to thank Amazon Prime, producer Siddharth Rai Kapoor, director Nagaraj Manjule, and the entire cast of Matka King. I'm truly happy and delighted to be receiving this Best Actor in a Negative Role. Thank you so much.
Gulshan sir, before I leave you, we can't have you on stage and not say you're bad man for us. It's got to happen. Come on.
Bad man.
Right, the next award is for Best Web Series in Regional Language, excluding Hindi. और ये jury ने decide किया है, तो let's have the winner.
And the winner is Bibhishon Z Bangla.
Next, the award for Best Debut in a Web Series, Male-Female Jury.
Best Debut in a Web Series Jury. The winner is Akanksha Ranjan Kapoor, Gram Chikitsalaya, TVF and Amazon Prime.
क्या बात है, the whistles and cheers speak for itself.
All right, now time to give the award for Best Digital Film above 60 minutes.
So the best digital film goes to Kalidhar Lapata, MA Entertainment, Z Studios, Z5.
The award for Best Actress in a Digital Film, and for that,
Best Actress in Digital Film Jury, and the winner is Konkana Sen Sharma, accused Netflix.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you to IWM for giving me this award. And thank you also to my director, Anubhuti Kashyap, who directed me in The Accused. And we had such a fantastic experience shooting in Poland. It was my first time there. And thank you also to Dharmatic and Karan Johar. Thank you so much.
It's time to give the award for Best Direction in a Digital Film Jury.
And the winner is Anurag Kashyap, Lisansi Part 2, Prime Video.
I won 6 awards as an actor. This is my first award as a director.
Wow.
Madam, in the sense, if you take away Sacred Games for a feature film in India, outside India, I won many awards. It's my first award in India as a director. And I'm totally surprised. I'm just, because आधी film के लिए award मिला. पहली आधी theater में आ गई थी.
I'm now going to be moving up to the next award, which is for Best Supporting Actor in a Digital Film Jury.
And the winner is Devik Bangela, Kalvinder Lapata.
Congratulations. Big proud moment indeed. All right, so our next award is for Best Supporting Actress in a Digital Film Jury.
Aisha Raza, आप जैसा कोई Netflix.
Congratulations, Aisha ma'am. Thank you so much.
अगला award है Best Performer in a Negative Role in a Digital Film, Female.
And the winner is Mona Singh, Subedar,
Yeah.
Prime Video, Abundantia Entertainment, Prime Video.
From strength to strength, reinventing herself.
All right, so our next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for Best Digital Film in Regional Language, excluding Hindi, Jury. And the winner is
Made in Korea on Netflix.
Congratulations. Big round of applause for the team of Made in Korea.
For our next category, Best Performer in a Negative Role in a Digital Film.
And the winner is Aditya Rawal for Subedar.
Now moving on to give the award for Best Actor in a Micro Drama. Jury.
The winner is Nishant Malkani, Kismat Ka Waris, Story TV.
Congratulations, Nishant.
It's now time, ladies and gentlemen, to give the award for Best Actress in a Microdrama. Jury.
And the winner is Ashi Singh.
We will now move on to our next award, ladies and gentlemen. Ye hai Best Original Podcast Series. Jury.
And the winner is Game Changers of India, Bora Films and Entertainment, Film Information.
All right, so हमारी अगली category है Best Non-Fiction Series of the Year. Jury.
The award winner is Rise and Fall, Season 1, Amazon Mixed Player.
Congratulations.
Best non-fiction series.
Congratulations, ma'am. Congratulations, sir.
Moving on to the next award, it's for a popular web series.
Most popular web series goes without saying, and no prizes for guests because it's Panchayat Season 4.
Best micro drama, Critics' Choice.
The winner is Trip to Hell, Indian Storytellers Bullet Microdrama.
All right, agla award है most popular digital film on the web above 60 minutes.
And the winner is Subedar, Mr. Vikram Malhotra.
Our next award is for IDFC First Bank Most Popular Actress in a Digital Film.
And the winner is
Radhika Madan.
Radhika! Our next award is for Most Popular Non-Fiction Show, and the winner is...
And the winner is The Great Indian Couple Show on Netflix.
Well deserved once again.
Thank you so much. All right, so it's now time for the award for Most Popular Microdrama. Jury.
And the winner is Desi Influencers CEO versus CEO. Tadka Hot Ji Hot Star.
Kya baat hai. I think this is the best kind of U-turn that you would want in life, right?
Agla award है Best Actor. Ooh. Films, Critics' Choice, the big one.
And the winner is
Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Of course. Well done, Nawaz. Sir, एक बार फिर से. What a most fun. जैसे आज भी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, now people want relevant things. Staying and watching. लोग जल्दी flip भी कर लेते हैं. कितना change आपने देखा है या फिर अभी भी वैसा ही है आपको लगता है जो 6-7 साल पहले स्टार्ट हुआ?
मैं सच बताऊं, मैंने सिर्फ एक ही सीरीज की, उसके बाद की नहीं, तो मुझे कुछ ज्यादा आइडिया है नहीं.
बट आप देखते भी नहीं हो?
नहीं, देखते भी नहीं मैं.
आप कोई शो भी नहीं?
मैं देखना चाहता हूं, बट मैं देखूंगा जब नेक्स्ट टाइम आऊंगा ना, तो मैं सब बताऊंगा, सच बता रहा हूं.
Our next award is for Best Web Series.
Of course, the winner is Matka King
Yay!
Prime Video.
Well deserved. Next award, Best Actor in a Comic Role, Critics' Choice. Can we have?
And the winner is Amol Parashar, Gram Chikti Sale, TVF Prime Video.
Up next is the award for Timeless Performer.
The winner is Mr. Rajpal Yadav.
Thank you. I am WM Buzz. पूरी टीम, जितने लोगों ने मेरे लिए सोचा, टाइमलेस. मुझे भी लग रहा है ऐसे अवार्ड को देख के, एक तो ये ट्रॉफी बहुत अच्छी है. बहुत पॉजिटिव फील है
जी.
और मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी ट्रॉफियों से रोज पैदा होने की प्रैक्टिस होने का मौका मिलता रहता है. कोशिश करूंगा कि जीवन भर रोज पैदा हूं, रोज कुछ नया आपके सामने रखूं, बस यही ईमानदारी रखूंगा. लव यू ऑल. थैंक यू.
All right, it's now time to move on to the next award. ये है Philips Powerhouse Actor.
All right, so the Philips Powerhouse Actor winner goes to my favorite, Nusrat Bharucha.
And today, after all these years, I am sitting in front of the person who's been with me through my entire journey, and that's Vikram Malhotra. He was there when Pyar Ka Panchnama happened. He was there when LSD happened. I did Chori 1 with him, I did Ram Setu with him, I did Chori 2 with him, and I just cannot believe you're here, sir. Finally, I'm right here and I can say thank you to you like this on a stage. So thank you for this, thank you IWM, thank you Siddharth, thank you so much.
Our next award, Impact Actor of the Year. Can we have the winner, please?
Impact Actor of the Year, and the winner is, again, my favorite, Sanjay Kapoor, and also my co-actor.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for this wonderful honor. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Prakash Jha sir, who directed me in Sankalp, and Hani sir, who directed me in Raat Akeli Hai, the Bansal Murders. I can see the cast over here. So yeah, these platforms are really supporting actors, and I'm really, really grateful. Thank you so much.
All right, so हमारी अगली category है Impactful Performer of the Year.
And the award goes to
Chitrangana Singh.
Chitrangada Singh for Raat
once
Akeli
again,
Hai
congratulations.
2 on Netflix.
This stage, yes, this is my first time. Well, thank you so much, and I see a lot of people thanking Vikram, a lot of women, and I must also say that Inkar, the film that I did, one of my most, I think, my favorite performances of my own performance, and thanks Vikram for being part of that as well. I still get told Maya Luthra, a lot of women tell me, is somebody that's been their favorite character as a woman, you know. So thank you so much.
Up next is the award for Breakthrough Actor of the Year, and can we have the winner, please?
Breakthrough Actor of the Year, and the winner is KK Menon. Obsessed 2.
Thank you very much for this, IWM Buzz, for giving me this award. Now that I've broken through, I don't know what I'll do next, but I'll break a bit more, perhaps. Thank you so much.
And Agla award hai Catch Most Versatile Actress, and the winner is.
And the winner is Catch Most Versatile Actress, one and only Mona Singh.
I'll move to the next award, which is for Best Actor Critics' Choice in a Series. Can we have the winner, please?
Pankaj Tripathi.
Criminal Justice.
The one and only Mr. Pankaj Tripathi, one of the most simple people that I've ever met, and somebody who just wows the audiences without even words.
थैंक यू सो मच हॉटस्टार जैसे नवाज दा अभी बोल रहे थे कि मैं ओटीटी का जनक हूँ तो हॉटस्टार का पहला ओरिजिनल है क्रिमिनल जस्टिस
अच्छा
हाँ और तो अब चौथे सीजन में हम आ गए हैं चौथे का मिला है तो शुक्रिया हॉटस्टार अपलॉज एंटरटेनमेंट और रोहन सिप्पी हरमन बडाला राइटर हमारे रोहन सिप्पी डायरेक्ट करते हैं और थैंक यू ऑडियंस आप सबके प्यार के बिना संभव नहीं होता
All right, so it's now time to move on to the next award. It's the Reinvention Icon. Can we have the winner, please?
And the winner is none other than the great of the greatest, Anupam Kher, my own favorite.
Congratulations, sir. Welcome.
Hello, sir. How are you, sir?
Reinvention is necessary, not only as an actor, but also as a person, and especially for today's actors, because the time that I've come here, I'm almost now 41 years in movies, 552 films. It was time that... But it will be wonderful when I complete 1,000 films and one of you says that, Meri 400वीं film bhi aa gayi hai. I'll be very happy. I will be giving a standing ovation to that actor or actress. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I am WM, Buzz. It's very buzzing. So am I.
All right, so it's now time to give away the award for the most popular actress in a web series, and the winner is
Bhubi Pednekar, Dal Dal, my favorite actress. This is my first award for Dal Dal, and I'm a little confident that I'm going to get many, many more for the show. But I want to share this with my co-actors. Samara, Aditya, Geeta ji, Mayank ji, everybody. I apologize if I've forgotten anyone. They were so brilliant in the show.
And so were you.
Thank you. But listen, it was just one of those things that I could do what I did because I had a set of brilliant people that I was working with. And of course, Amrit, my director, he is so, so wonderful. And the biggest hug to Suresh Triveni. He is a genius. What a year he's had. What a year you've had, Vikram, sir. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Time to give the award for Best Actor in a Web Series Jury. And I'd like Anshuman to announce the winner.
This is an actor who I have become an actor because of him. From Satya to Bhosle, Joram, Governor now. According to me, the best in the country, Mr. Manoj Bajpayee.
The man who's reinvented himself. And I think...
But really, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Raj and DK, wherever you are, I know you are busy with shooting with the stars. लेकिन मज़ा नहीं आएगा जब तक हमारे साथ नहीं करोगे. But we make it sure that there is always a party on Family Man shoot. It's really a family when we are shooting, and I always miss being on the set. So thank you everyone.
And they'll be giving the next award for IDFC First Bank Most Popular Actor in a Digital Film.
And he's none other, Mr. Manoj Bajpayee, again, for Inspector Zende on Netflix.
The space is vast, Manoj sir. There are too many shows.
मैंने माइक इसलिए लिया क्योंकि ये डेब्यूटेंट डायरेक्टर ने डायरेक्ट किया था चिन्मय. आई थिंक उसके साथ बहुत ही अन्याय हो जाता अगर मैं उसके लिए कुछ नहीं बोलता. एंड हैविंग हिम बिहाइंड द कैमरा, watching you intently, watching every step of yours is such a comfort in front of the camera. So Chinmay, wherever you are, thank you very much.
All right, so the next award, ladies and gentlemen, is Cinematic Icon of the Year.
Cinematic Icon of the Year, and the award goes to
Jaideep Alawat.
Yeah!
Yeah, father, fire indeed.
Thank you to all my directors, my writers, Amazon, Patalok and Family Man in the same year. इससे ज़्यादा कोई क्या मांग सकता है? और thank you to all my co-actors, cast crew, and thank you for this amazing award again, and getting it in such a great company. It's always honor. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right, so thank you so much. On that note, हम लोग बढ़ेंगे आगे to the next award. This is for Performer of the Year.
Goes to Mr. Vijay Verma for Matka.
Matka King. So well deserved and so apt.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the lovely compliments, and thank you so much, really fine gentlemen, to give me this award. And thank you IWM Buzz for honoring me with Performer of the Year.
Up next is the award for Best Actress, Critics' Choice in a Series.
And the winner is
The one and only Kajol.
But I have to say that it's such a pleasure always to come and stand amongst so many amazingly talented people and who are on stage and sitting in the audience over here. It's really a pleasure and an honor to be among them.
Now time to give the award for Best Actor in a Digital Film.
The Best Actor in a Digital Film. The award goes to Mr. Rajkumar Rao for Toaster on Netflix.
You can remove digital film. You can just say Best Actor because that's what he is, brother. Every single time.
Thank you. Thank you, IWM. Thank you, Ram, for being this amazing brother that I have. This one is for Toaster, which is actually our first film as producers, as Campa Films. So I want to thank my producer, Patru Lekha, for casting me in this film Toaster. Thank you, Netflix. Thank you, Vivek, my director, and to the whole cast and crew.
Actually, before we say bye, Siddharth sir, आपसे कुछ bye bye हम लोग लेना चाहेंगे. Can I get the mic? Thank you for everybody. Thank you for coming in. It's really been a wonderful night, and it's really been memorable. But like, your clout was on full show today, sir.
Thank you so
Fantastic.
much. It's all teamwork. और सब ऊपर वाले की कृपा बस. Thank you so much. चलो बस.
Thank you. Season 8 comes to an end. We'll see you next year for season 9. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, everybody.